Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the ProArt display PA279CRV. Before we dive into the monitor itself, we'll take a closer look at all the accessories included in the box. Let's see what's inside. First, we have the power cord, essential for getting this monitor up and running. Next, the USB-C cable. This single cable handles data, video, and 96-watt power delivery for charging your devices. There's also an HDMI cable for connecting to a variety of devices. Here's the DisplayPort cable, perfect for daisy-chaining multiple monitors. We also have some documentation, a calibration report for color accuracy, a quick start guide, a warranty card, and a welcome card. And now, the star of the show, the ProArt PA279CRV monitor itself. This is a 27-inch 4K HDR display, factory-calibrated for industry-leading color accuracy. The USB-C port provides seamless data transfer, DisplayPort connectivity, and power delivery. Additional ports include HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-A, and another USB-C for your peripherals. The stand is fully adjustable. Tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments make it easy to work comfortably. With 99% DCI-P3, 99% Adobe RGB, and 100% sRGB coverage, this display ensures true-to-life color for your creative projects. That's everything included in the box. I'll be testing the ProArt PA279CRV in the coming days, so stay tuned for my full review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos. See you in the next one.